What's up, everybody? So we are hanging out. We're at Perfect Skin Tattoo in Krabi, Thailand, and we're waiting. Right now, we're gonna get bamboo tattoos today. We're super excited. Both of us are getting tattoos, and it's like the traditional style, like the stick and poke style. So we're gonna show you everything, like how it all works. This shop is super great. We researched like every shop. We went to every shop, looked in them, looked at like the cleanliness levels and how everything's done. And this shop looks super like similar to everything I've been to in like Western. Everything's very nice. Everything's clean and sterile. Amy's getting a small piece right here. We just drew them on just for fun. She's gonna get a little elefante. And I'm gonna get a Thai fire design like this around my ankle. So we're gonna document all of it for you so you guys can see it. And if you're interested in doing it, you'll know what to expect. Similar to the machine, but less painful. So yeah, it doesn't feel as scratchy as like a machine tattoo. It feels more like just poking. You ready?
No.
Yeah? You excited?
Yes.
Okay, so we just got done getting our tattoos at Perfect Skin Tattoo. They were super awesome, super clean. Everything was like sterilized. Everything was a brand new needle. They rewrapped the tables in between even her and I doing everything. So it was fully legitimate. A lot of the shops didn't seem like that, and this one really did. It was really, really great. So super happy with it.
They're really cute.
Yeah, she got a super adorable elephant to represent her trip with the elephants, and if you haven't seen that video, watch that video. And I got fire on my ankle just to represent like the fire of this culture and the food, because it is so spicy and so good. But yeah, if you're here, go to Perfect Skin Tattoo. It is super, super great. They were great, and they're packing up. They did our tattoos just for us, and then they're heading off to Bangkok for a tattoo convention where they're gonna hopefully win. So I'm wishing them the best of luck, and yeah, I can't thank them enough. It was a great experience.
As far as pain level, I have 2 machine tattoos, one on my side. I would say that it hurt less than my ribcage tattoo, which was machine, but more than my ankle tattoo, which was also machine. So somewhere in the middle of those. Still a tattoo, still hurts, but yeah. Mine was like 10 minutes long, so I don't know, maybe you have other thoughts.
Yeah, I mean, mine, it didn't hurt too bad. It was just a certain spots do, just like any tattoo. When you get to the bottom of my foot, it started stinging a bit. But everywhere else, it's a tattoo. It's one moment of your life to have something that represents, something for the rest of your life. So if you're here in Krabi, Aonang, Perfect Skin Tattoo.